Good afternoon, LC people. Well, welcome back to my channel. As you know, last week I'd sort of stripped this bike, this F2 that came in. The paintwork's now all gone to the painters. I'd repaired all the plastics, leak in the tank, had the tank dipped, and I took all that yesterday. The frame, swing arm and all the other ancillary bits I wanted powder coating and out at the powder coaters. So today I've been sort of stripping and cleaning brakes, scraping out the crud, cleaning up all the pistons, degreasing these and painting them. And the back wheel was done this morning. Very happy with that. That needed a lick of paint. Now looks very, very nice. The front wheel had done the day before. It's coming together really well. And yeah, I will keep you posted about it, but keep watching the progress on this bike and you'll see it coming together. Like I said, I've already done the engine now. I've got various other bits to fettle and clean, shock absorber to rebuild in there and paint, plastics to do, linkages. I've got the front forks to actually get back down to the alley, the bottom legs there, and do those. I want to get all the bits cleaned up for the rolling chassis. So the other bits and pieces I can tickle and sort of fettle as I carry on. But that's Dave's plan. So in the next few weeks, you'll see some progress happening on this F2. And keep watching and put your subscribes and your likes and comments about it. And let me know what you think. But I'm always busy on an LC or a power valve, as you probably know. But keep watching my channel and you'll see more bikes getting resurrected. Thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.